Well, hey, were you the one looking for the free camping in California?
Oh, that was lucky, because we have some really great places for you to go.
What a deal.
Check it out.
Hey guys, I'm Eric.
Hey, I'm Robin.
Wanderboom.
We're out wandering.
Wandering as
Wandering
we love
again.
as we
Yay.
love to do. We wander. Join the Wanderboom, by the way. Again,
Yeah.
hey, it's booming all over the country, all over the world.
Everyone's starting to wander now.
Wander away.
Finally, thank God.
Speaking of wandering, we recently have been passing through beautiful eastern side of California, and we got 5 fantastic free campsites. They're camping locations, not necessarily a site, but
Yeah, boondocking locations.
boondocking locations, dry camping.
And only one of them did we ever camp in before.
That's right.
The other 4 were completely new sites that we had never been to, didn't even know they existed actually.
Yeah.
Before we camped there. So
Half the fun of this is finding these great sites, and we like to share them with you. So here, take a look.
yay!
Well, there's our campsite here at Sawtooth Canyon. Our first great site is located south of Barstow, California, Sawtooth Canyon BLM Campgrounds. Totally free and quite beautiful. So there's sites, so 2 or 3 campsites there. And then there's 3 or 4 on this side, and then more up over there. And then there's camping, a couple more sites way up at the top, a few more on the other side of those rocks. And then up there at the top is where all the primary climbing happens. But pretty awesome. No off-road vehicles allowed, so it's nice and quiet. Sawtooth Canyon is a great destination for rock climbing, and there's a lot of great rock formations throughout with interesting cave formations like this. Nice cool little shelter here. And just a short drive down to Big Bear Lake if you feel like exploring the area. It is best during the winter months. The area gets extremely hot in the summertime. The second spot on our list is beautiful Lake Isabella, California. Located all the way around the lake are numerous campgrounds, both paid campgrounds as well as free campgrounds. The Hanning Flat Dispersed Camping Area is the largest area up on the northeast side of the lake. In April of 2021, we stayed here at the South Fork Recreation Campground. This campground is actually $10 if you're not a National Park Pass member. With the National Park Pass, it's free. Location number 3 is one of our all-time favorite locations, Alabama Hills by Lone Pine, California. With hundreds of films and television shows as well as commercials being shot here, it is an incredibly beautiful location. There are some big changes coming that we just found out about recently while creating this video. Alabama Hills. So currently there are over 150 spots where you can camp for free here in the Alabama Hills. The problem is that it's become so popular, and a lot of people unfortunately have been treating it poorly, leaving a lot of trash in spots behind the rocks. And so the Park Service is stepping in, and it got a new designation, we found out, in 2019. And so coming up in the not too distant future, they are going to start to regulate the Alabama Hills a lot more tightly. We believe they will be limiting it to 60 sites, and you'll have to stop and get a permit before you are able to camp in the Alabama Hills. Location number 4 is the Volcanic Tablelands, just north of Bishop, California. Surrounded by beautiful lava rock formations and the eastern Sierras as a backdrop in the distance, you'll be able to find numerous spots for just about any sized rig in this area. Located just to the east in the White Mountains is the ancient bristlecone pine forest. Definitely worth a trip. Yeah, like I said, you don't realize how big these are until you get up on them. Quite the massive boulder field, but there's petroglyphs in here somewhere, but I mean, gotta cover a lot of ground to find them. And our final location is located just outside of Bridgeport, California. This area has quite a few natural hot springs, and the Buckeye Hot Spring is on Buckeye Creek, right here near Bridgeport.
So we went up and scouted a spot on this crazy road up here above Bridgeport by the hot springs up here. So we'll get a little hot springs action. And it's actually like one of the only spots that I actually get a little bit of service on the other side of this mountain over here.
So in this shot, the spots on the right, the top right and bottom right, are a little tougher to reach. That'd be best for a 4x4. But the long areas under the trees actually are quite large and could manage larger rigs, even fifth wheels of good size. And another very interesting local trip is the Bodie Ghost Town, located just about half an hour from this location. We strongly recommend coming in from the south on Buckeye Road. The entrance from the north is a much longer run coming off of the highway and a lot of washboard roads, so could save yourself some trouble and come in from the south. And if the timing is right, wildflowers abound. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed those spots and get a chance to take advantage of them someday.
We had a lot of fun there.
Yeah.
Did you have a favorite?
Again, Alabama Hills is still pretty hard to beat, but
he's obsessed with where
I love Alabama
where,
Hills,
people pee there. Famous people.
That's right. I could have urinated where famous people urinated. That's what this is really all about. This whole lifestyle, really.
Let's try.
We're in search of urination locations.
You find them all, honey.
Hey, again, so be sure to, if you like the content, subscribe to the channel, give us a thumbs up and all that, share with friends, family, people that you think might be interested in this, and
when you boondock, pack in, pack out.
that's right.
That's one of the things that we're noticing more. People are leaving more trash, and it ruins it for everyone.
That's right.
Like Eric was talking about earlier, Alabama Hills is going to be restricted because it's just people are pooping in the
behind the rocks
Lone
and stuff,
Ranger Canyon. I mean, come on, people.
Come on.
Come on.
We can do better.
We can do much better.
If you join the Wander Boom, pack it in, pack it out.
That's right. See you later.
Later, guys.